Hi students, now we discuss about application of malonic ester. Application of malonic ester. Applications. First we discuss about monocarboxylic acid preparation. So now preparation of monocarboxylic acids. Monocarboxylic acid. Preparations of monocarboxylic acids. In this, first we discuss about acetic acid preparation. Preparation of acetic acid. Preparation of acetic acid. In this, first we take malonic ester, CH2, C double bond O, C2H5, as well as C double bond O, C2H5. This is the malonic ester. Malonic ester. This compound react with 2 moles H2O. 2 moles H2O. Then HOH. Cleavage occur. Then formation CH2, C double bond OH. C double bond OH. Next, C2H5OH. C2H5OH. 2 moles C2H5OH. Ethyl alcohol. Now, decarboxylation is there. Now, loss of CO2, carbon dioxide. So, formation CH2 and H means CH3. C double bond OH. So, this is the acetic acid. Acetic acid. This is the preparation of acetic acid. Once again I repeat, malanoic ester react with 2 moles H2O. Cleavage occur. HOH. So now CH2 C double bond OH. C double bond OH. Loss of C2H5OH. C2H5OH means 2 moles ethyl alcohol loss. In this, decarboxylation is there. Then loss of CO2 means our desired compound formed. CH2H means CH3 C double bond OH. This is the acetic acid. This is the preparation of acetic acid. Next we discuss about preparation of propanoic acid. Next, preparation of propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Preparation of propanoic acid. Second one, this second one. In this malonic ester, that is CH2 C double bond O, O C2H5, C double bond O, O C2H5. This malonic ester react with Na plus, Na plus. So loss of H, H replaced by Na plus, CH, Na plus, C double bond O, O C2H5, C double bond O, O C2H5. Next, this compound react with Rx. R nothing but CH3. If R nothing but CH3, CH3X. Na plus means X minus. NaX, loss of NaX. Then Na plus replaced by CH3. So that's why CH3, C double bond O, O C2H5. Next C double bond O, O C2H5. Next, it go for hydrolysis. It go for hydrolysis. HOH, HOH. So now loss of 2 moles ethyl alcohol. Next, formation CH3, C double bond O, OH, C double bond O, OH. It go for decarboxylation. So loss of CO2. CH3 bond with CH plus H, CH2. Next, C double bond O, OH. 1, 2, 3 carbons. Means this is the propanoic acid. This is the functional group, propanoic acid functional group. Then this name is propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. This is the preparation of propanoic acid. Once again repeat. This is the malonic ester. Malonic ester. The malonic ester react with Na plus. So hydrogen means H replaced by Na plus. So this compound react with Rx if R nothing but CH3. Na plus replaced by CH3, loss of NaX. So CH3 bond with CH. So this compound go for hydrolysis. So means loss of 2C2H5OH. HOH. So loss of ethyl alcohol. So now the compound is go for decarboxylation, means loss of CO2. Finally our desired compound propanoic acid formed. Next, we discuss about preparation of isobutanoic acid. Isobutanoic acid. Third one, preparation of isobutanoic acid. Isobutanoic acid. Third one, preparation of isobutanoic acid. In this, first we take malonic ester, CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5. C double bond O, OC2H5. This compound react with Na plus. Now hydrogen replaced by Na plus. CH, Na plus. C double bond O, OC2H5. C double bond O, OC2H5. Next, this compound react with Rx if R nothing but CH3. X. Na plus X minus, loss of NaX. Na plus replaced by CH3. CH3. C double bond O, OC2H5. C double bond O, OC2H5. The carbon having another H. So this compound react with Na plus. Again H replaced by Na plus. C. Na. N means already it have CH3. CH3. C double bond O, OC2H5. C double bond O, OC2H5. This compound react with CH3X. X and Na, loss of NaX. So the Na replaced by CH3. C. CH3. CH3. C double bond O, OC2H5. C double bond O, OC2H5. Then it go for hydrolysis. HOH. HOH. Now loss of 2C2H5OH. Then C. CH3. CH3. C double bond O, OH. C double bond O, OH. Decarboxylation is there. Loss of CO2. CH2. CH3. Sorry. CH3. CH. Carbon and CH3. Bond with CH3. Next carbon bond. C double bond O, OH. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Overall 4 carbons, and this is the iso compound. The functional group is carboxylic functional group. That's why this compound name is isobutanoic acid. Isobutanoic acid. Isobutanoic acid. So this is the preparation of isobutanoic acid. Next we discuss about dicarboxylic acid preparations. So this is overall monocarboxylic acid preparations.